Hey guys, Dalton RV. Check out this great looking new 2026 Palomino Puma Camping Edition 263 BHCE. This is a great floor plan. It's got a private queen bedroom in the front with wardrobe closets, a mid bathroom, mid kitchen, and a slide out with the theater seating, reclining theater seating sofa, upgraded. It also has two private bunk rooms in the rear. We'll call them Jack and Jill bunk rooms. So each of them have a door and each of them are private. Great little floor plan, and we've upgraded it with a 190 watt solar package, power tongue jack, outdoor kitchen. Come check it out at Dalton RV.